In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate an Alibaba Cloud account, whether you're consolidating your cloud services or simply no longer need your Alibaba Cloud account. We're going to make this process as smooth as possible. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Alibaba Cloud website. You can do this by heading to www.alibabacloud.com. Once there, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the Login button typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials to access your dashboard. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right section of your screen. You'll see an icon representing your profile. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear from which you should select Account Management. Now that you're in your account settings, look toward the left-hand side of your screen. You should see a menu with various options. Click on Account Security to proceed further. Scroll down until you come across an option that says Close Account. Click on it and be sure to read all the warnings and prompts very carefully. This is crucial because closing your account is a permanent action that cannot be undone. It's important to ensure all services connected to your account are stopped, as continued activity might lead to billing. Check that you've paid all outstanding bills associated with your account. This includes any charges for services you might have forgotten about. Additionally, verify there are no active resources like Elastic Compute Service or ECS instances, as having active resources can prevent the account closure process. Once you've confirmed all these details, locate the Next button and click it to move to the next stage. At this point, you'll need to complete some confirmation steps, which will generally involve verifying your identity. Depending on your account settings, you might be asked to do this via an email or a phone verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll see an option that says Confirm to Close. Click this button to proceed with the deactivation process. You'll see a final confirmation that your request has been submitted. Note that the deactivation is not instantaneous and will only be complete after a review from Alibaba Cloud's team. And there you have it. You've successfully followed all the steps to deactivate your Alibaba Cloud account. Once the review is finalized, your account will be permanently deactivated. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you've got any other queries or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out or check out more of our tutorials.